Okay, hold on. I'm going to watch the Bob Marley One Love movie. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Say my name is Rain and this is Life with SK, who is my mama. She's just here chilling, letting the milk digest a little bit because she was throwing up so much, right? Rain tends to overdrink, right? Don't you? They say you can't overdrink on breast milk, but you can because Rain don't come off. She just drinks and drinks and drinks. Are you laughing? Are you laughing, Rainy? What's up, y'all? Yeah, so it's after 10 and I'm just here. I'm waiting to go get a shower. But anyways, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, do subscribe if you like the vibes on this channel. Yeah, so it's after 10 and Sean is currently in the bathroom. River is asleep. ShéKayla should be in bed, but I can hear her giggling on the phone. I'm about to go run her off the phone because she has school tomorrow. And yeah, I'm waiting on Sean to finish using the shower so that he can take over because Rain is wide awake, as y'all can see. She's probably not gonna fall asleep till maybe almost 12 and then wake up at 1. That's what she does, you know. Is that River? Rainy, we need to go see what's happening with River. I can hear him crying. He fell asleep like an hour ago. I don't know what's going on. Baby? What's going on, baby? What's wrong? I'm gonna get you. Let's go put down Rainy first and I'll come take you out, okay? Oh, you wake up though. Okay, hold on. Look at Rainy. I put her there in her cot. And this is the behavior. Rainy start to cry. Tell me why. Why are you trying to eat my face, Rainy? Stop trying to eat my face. You just dropped so much, Rain, remember? Yeah, River is in my bed. Look at him. What are you doing in my bed? And why did two of them choose to act up while Sean in the shower? Tell me no. Honestly, I'm just there saying like everybody winding down. Oh boy. Who said me to have the toilet close to the edge? Oh gosh, let me go and feed her some more, yeah. It's a lot settled now, yeah. Rainy Bungie is on her titty. And Ravi's here fast asleep, guys. Honestly. I got this. It's not so bad. Sometimes, you know, River has his moments. I tell you guys this all the time. Sometimes he wants to come in bed with us. We're not in bed yet, but he's like up earlier. I don't know why he only slept for 1 hour. Maybe he was having a bad dream. I don't know. All this one want to do is just drink. Hey people, can you guess where we're headed? We are headed to watch the One Love movie. Put on some of my, you guys, I always keep this in the car. Always. And I need to charge my Apple Watch, so let me take it off and charge it because I have a charger for it in the car. Yeah, so I am finally going to watch the Bob Marley One Love movie. So I guess I will see you guys there. I'm here with my little love, so yeah. So yeah, I'll meet you guys there and I'll tell you guys how it went. I'll see you guys there at the cinema. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm here now. I've got my popcorn and my drink and we're late. We're like, the movie started like 15 minutes ago. I don't even know. This is a cinema that we're at and my friends are here as well. And yeah, I sense so we have like the best seats in the house. We have premium seats and the movie start, guys. Kayla, hurry up, you're so slow. I can't believe the movie start.
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Right question. You know what? Not why them try to kill you, but why them could not succeed. Rastafari know there is a purpose and a reason for everything. We're jamming right straight from you.
give you everything you asked me for. Everything. You're so naive. Don't shed no tears. From mental slavery, none but ourselves can free our mind. Cause none of them cannot stop at the time.
You can't think about vengeance and do the work that must be done.
I'm willing and every day and every night.
We vibing.
Yes, I know that. Treat you right.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm finished. Oh my gosh, my popcorn on bust out. So, going now. Honestly, right? The movie, it was very, very nice. I'm not gonna lie. I learned one thing though about the movie. I did not know that Rita got Bob into Rastafarian.
She got into
It was painted. It was painted. That meeting on the beach with the Rasta man and stuff, and he asked, "Who is this
He
man?"
met her pregnant though.
And she was but she met but he met her with a child.
Oh right,
Rita
so
had a
that's
child.
she had right. So
She had a child.
So he met her pregnant. Because you see when they were on the beach, she was pregnant.
Yeah, and he adopted that child. But so I learned that from the movie. So that was interesting. I had no idea that is Rita that was into this movement before Bob. Very interesting.
Everything was from her inspiration
Yeah,
though.
perspective,
To go back
yeah.
to home.
Yeah.
She's the one that led him. Like,
Yeah.
basically like
And see, I didn't know that. So I like that this
that
was
was
told
good.
from Rita. Because it's things that we wouldn't have known had she not told it. So I like it. I give, where we going? I actually give the movie a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie. Well, but I was disappointed at the end that they didn't show the actual performance in Jamaica that united the nation, yeah, the prime minister and the leader of the opposition, yeah. But yeah. And oh my gosh, it might be a bit dark. Ooh, side cord. What the heck? It is cold and I'm wearing a jacket. Dang. Yeah, one more thing, right? When the movie finished, no one moved. Like everyone sat down until the songs, everything finished at the very end. Honestly, the movie finished and everybody's sitting down in there. And I'm gonna tell you, I don't know. There was a lot of emotions in there as well. I don't know if you guys watched it, and it got you. I don't know, and it got you like just a bit emotional. Let me know, because certain parts of it, like the argument between him and Rita, like outside the club, when he tell Rita that don't think that he don't know that she have a man in Jamaica, you know. I felt that when Rita give him a slap out of this wall, like that happened for real. Not the ShéKayla. So I stopped to get some food. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. It's so freaking cold. That's crazy. No jacket. I'm gonna stop to get some food. Yeah, if you haven't watched the movie, you definitely go and watch it. When I saw clips from when he got to Jamaica, you know, to do the concert and all of that, and you see the people just how they're running behind him, and when he reached in his hometown and just the love that everybody had for him. Like, I know that most people already know the history of Bob Marley and stuff like that, but I don't know, it felt like a proud moment as a Jamaican. And yes, I am Jamaican if you're new to the channel, but my accent is not so Jamaican because I grew up in Anguilla, which is another Caribbean island. But I'm just saying that it made me feel very proud just to come from such a small nation. And Bob come from such a small nation, and the fact that he had this major impact and put Jamaica on the map, and you just kind of feel that vibe throughout the movie, and just to see it play out. And that guy is such an amazing actor, and he sounded like Bob. The movements, everything was just spot on. But yeah, it made me feel proud, like just in that moment as they're going through it, and you're like, dang, like Jamaica, little Jamaica, because we're small compared to, you know, these bigger countries. And he's touring Europe, and you're seeing all the love that people have for him. And then the fact that I am at the age at where he died, you know, he died at the age of 36, and I'm approaching 36. So the fact that this is how young he was, like, you know, growing up, you always look at Bob like, I don't know, like this older Rasta man. So it was just crazy to find out when I'm at this age, to kind of like you could relate. I can't believe he was my age, like when he died, you know. That's huge. And so it's amazing. The story is amazing itself. And I am freaking cold. I stopped to get something to eat, and I'm going inside now to get my food. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for tuning into the vlog. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And if you did watch the movie, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All right.